monitor rainfall. Stocktake Plus allows you to keep your rainfall records and produces a great annual rainfall chart. To add some rainfall information, click on Rainfall, add a new record. It automatically comes up with today's date, but if you're adding historical information, simply click on the date and change the calendar to suit the date that you recorded the information. Click Done. Select your rain gauge from the list set up for your property, and then just type in your observation. Simple as that, it's complete.